Maserati is celebrating 100 years of its legendary Trident logo by breathing fire into its ultimate luxury icon. This is the newly redesigned midlife facelift for the 2026 Maserati GranTurismo. Far more than just a subtle styling tweak, the Italian brand has completely re-engineered its flagship coupe with severe aero enhancements, a completely upgraded luxury cockpit, and a massive power boost straight from their supercar engineering division. Welcome back to DRX Automobi. Today, we are diving deep into the absolute pinnacle of high-performance Italian grand touring. Visually, the 2026 GranTurismo shifts from classic elegance to outright track-inspired aggression, drawing heavy design cues from the ultra-exclusive MCXtrema Hypercar. Up front, Maserati fitted a completely restyled front bumper featuring larger geometric air intakes and highly optimized air curtains designed to maximize high-speed front downforce. The classic rear profile looks cleaner and meaner than ever, thanks to an updated lower diffuser and brand-new clear-lens LED taillights. To improve cornering grip and stability, the car sits on stunning new gloss-black Trident-style wheels that actively stretch the track width out by a wider 10 mm. This fires the coupe to 100 km/h in just 3.5 seconds. Plus, every single V6 model now comes standard with an upgraded, deep-growling Sportivo exhaust system. If you want pure electricity, the Folgore EV retains its 760 HP tri-motor setup, but gains an updated front axle decoupling algorithm, expanding its real-world range up to a highly usable 540 kilometers. With production moving entirely back to the brand's historic hometown facility in Modena, Italy, the 2026 Maserati GranTurismo lineup enters the market starting right around $160,695. climbing north of $200,000 for the high-output Trofeo and electric Folgore variants. By combining supercar engine dynamics with a beautifully upgraded metal-accented cockpit, Maserati has created an absolute apex predator to challenge the Porsche 911 Turbo and Aston Martin Vantage. Would you pick the screaming 590 horsepower V6 or the silent, earth-shaking torque of the Folgore EV? Let us know in the comments below, hit that like button, subscribe to DRX Automobi, and we'll see you in the next breakdown.